Hey everybody, so it's Kim from Funk and Junk Furniture, and today we're going to do a DIY. And what inspired me was not throwing away my Christmas wreath on my front door. So I love it, and it's a boxwood, and I think it's perfect. It just needs to be updated. So I thought, what better way to decorate it for Valentine's Day? So I thought of this great idea. You know how I gave my scarf an update? Well, today I'm going to give my boxwood an update. And I just went and mixed some Annie Sloan Chalk Paint. I mixed a whole bunch of colors. I've got Barcelona orange, I've got some pink in there, I've got some red in there, I've got some white in there. So I made my own color. It's not just one color. So I watered it down a lot in order for it to spray through this little spray bottle. And it's basically just doing that. Shake it up, and what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna put it down on a piece of paper, on a cloth, or anything you have. And you're literally just gonna start spraying your boxwood. And you can see that just by giving it some squirts, it's already adhering to the boxwood. It sticks to just about anything, like I've said. And you're just gonna wanna go around and you're just gonna wanna spray it really, really good. You can turn it, you can do the underside, you can do just about anything you want to it. You can do a little, you can do a lot. But I just thought it was a really cute concept on not getting rid of something that you have, and just giving it a little update. So when they're all done, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you the finished product. But I just thought it was a really cute DIY that everybody else could do.